It's no longer a surprise that people in the United States of America enjoy ice cream. It seems like we're living in an ice cream golden age, and it's amazing how new wave artisan shops are questioning the basic notion of what should be put on a stick or between cookies, from old school parlors learning new tricks to new school parlors seeking to remind you of old school parlors, plant-based creameries. According to the International Dairy Foods Association, Americans consume an average of 23 pounds of ice cream per year. That's more than the sum of chocolate and other candies. While great ice cream can be bought in grocery stores around the country, a pint from the freezer isn't always enough. In this video, we will take you on the 7 best ice creams in the United States, to help you know which is best for you. Before we go into them, subscribe to our channel if you haven't and click on the bell icon. That way you will be the first to be notified when we release new videos like this one. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1. Bi-Rite Creamery. Bi-Rute Creamery, located in San Francisco, California, is an 18th Street scoop business that always has a queue of folks waiting to get their hands on homemade, small-batch, organic ice cream. Bi-Rite Creamery is dedicated to using only the best local, organic products and employing environment-friendly procedures, which makes it top among the best ice cream in the United States. Bi-Rites are both familiar and novel, as they combine Strauss family creamery products such as milk, cream, eggs with suppliers like cookies, roasted bananas down the street. If standing in queues isn't your thing, with Bi-Rite you can place an order ahead of time. Number 2. The Bent Spoon, Princeton, New Jersey. Ice cream is taken extremely seriously in this historic, lovely college town. The Bent Spoon has devoted fans, thanks to its 550 varieties, which rotate in and out of the little business 24 hours a day, making it rank in the list of best ice cream in the US. While you can always have a top-notch conventional taste or a modified classic like the habanero chocolate, Bent Spoon seasonality reigns supreme, and the place is also doing the kind of flavor research generally reserved for the science lab. You may want to consider sun gold tomato sorbet, blueberry mascarpone, chocolate with ramps, or pumpkin with shiitake mushrooms, all made with the Garden State's prized produce. Number 3. Clementines Creamery, St. Louis, Missouri. Clementine is in the unique role of nailing both nostalgia and novelty, having been inspired by founder Tamara Keefe's childhood habit of churning handmade ice cream to satisfy a sweet craving her family couldn't afford to buy from their local parlor. Her 25 years of cooking experience shows in her attention to detail and tastes like luscious Tommy's toffee butter brickle, and she has also managed to produce a range of tasty and unique ice creams that carry a boozy punch, such as the highly popular maple bourbon or the Manhattan complete with maraschino cherries, making Clementine Creamery one of the best ice creams in the United States. Number 4. The Charmery. The Charmery was founded by David and Laura Alima in Maryland in 2013 and has expanded to encompass a factory and event space, as well as additional locations in the suburbs. The Charmery flavors are quite innovative, socially conscious, and change frequently. One-offs include an ice cream to celebrate Pride, the savory baked ricotta orange, and Fear Factory flavors for Halloween picked onion sorbet. Needless to say, the Alimas infused their work with a sense of whimsy and comedy, making them rank among the best ice cream in the US. Number 5. Bottolino Gelato Artisanal. If you reside in Dallas, Texas and you require ice cream that is produced naturally with no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, then Bottolino Gelato should be a good fit for you. Carlo Bottolino Gelato, who is trained by Italian gelato masters, infuses each small batch of rich joy with deeply entrenched traditions. In Bottolino Gelato ice cream, artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives are not used, which is why its pistachio isn't neon green. Berry and lavender, mascarpone and figs, and white coffee are among the most popular combinations that make it rank among the best ice cream in the US. Number 6. Crank and Boom Ice Cream Lounge, Lexington, Kentucky. This sure sounds like the name of an 80s buddy cop team. Crank is the calm one, while Boom is the wild card with nothing to lose. However, the Ice Cream Lounge introduces a new type of unconventional practice to the industry. While tastes like blueberry lime cheesecake and dark chocolate truffle are delicious on their own, they're even better when topped with fresh strawberries and homemade marshmallows. And, lest you think the lounge side is just for show, C&B stays true to its bourbon country roots with a menu of alcoholic floats and scoop-top drinks, which makes it top among the best ice cream in the US. Number 7. Frankie and Joe's, Seattle, Washington. Ice cream may never be a healthy snack, but at Frankie and Joe's, you may easily imagine it is. Chaga mushroom powder, turmeric, activated charcoal, and ashwagandha are among the buzzy wellness world components used in the plant-based scoop business. You won't miss the dairy because the texture is so creamy, thanks to cashew and coconut milk bases. The tastes are also well thought out. The chocolate tahini super cookie is studded with dark chocolate and almond flour cookie dough, while Frankie's brown sugar vanilla is flavored with vanilla bean and vanilla extract, as well as nutritional yeast. So which among these ice creams is your favorite? Which of these creameries would love to visit soon? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.